Girl, if I see you one more time with that same ponytail in your head, I swear I'm gonna have to sponsor you.
Big hair.
Hi Vixen Dolls, today I'm back with a video doing a bob cut on a frontal wig. This is a custom wig that I did make. I am going in with my peanut trimmers that you can get from Sally's. I think Sally's Beauty sell those. But I'm going in and trimming a blunt cut using the trimmers along the bottom and just cleaning it up. Look at it from the front. Always make sure you look at it from the front to make sure the sides are even. I'm just tweezing a little bit on this frontal because it was already pre-plucked. Going in with the wax stick and the Beyond the Zone spray and flattening out the edges and smoothing out the part with a hot comb. This is my favorite part of wigs because I feel like it starts to come together after you use that hot comb and put it on there and slick that thing down, honey. Then you want to go in and take sections. And I use the Beyond the Zone spray. You don't have to use a whole bunch, but go in sections and press the hair out and put just a little bit of a bend in your hand. Like, you have to just watch it. Like, you put a little bit of a bend to make it have the shape but not make it look like an auntie bump on the end, which may come back in style one day, but today ain't the day. So I'm just gonna go in and bump the hair all the way around to smooth it out, silk it out, make it look gorgeous. This unit is dyed jet black. I love a jet black blunt cut bob. It's just something about it. And the spray that I'm using is the Beyond the Zone spray. You can get the Beyond the Zone spray at your local Sally's. They sell it on Amazon as well. And I think I use Working Spray by, can't remember the name of the company, but I'm put it down in the description box. So this unit is completely finished now. I'm just pulling any type of hairs that I see that I don't like out. And I'm going to show you guys how I package the wig. This is my favorite mannequin, y'all. I'll do all of my pictures and stuff on this. I'm using some zigzag shears to cut the lace, pre-cut the lace for the client. This client actually did want me to cut the lace for her. This is how I package my wigs. I have my boxes that I got customized from China. I am switching boxes as soon as I run out of these. I put it in a satin bag and I put like a little freebie gift and my thank you card on the inside and close it up. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.